morning, guys. It's July 26, 2018. This one here, I got a call for AC not working. Says the outside unit's just humming, so it's a hummer. So we'll go by there and see if we get it going for him. Sounds like it could just be a capacitor, but we'll see. Try to get you some shots if I can.
Slice, you close it.
Yeah, it's puffy, so that's probably what our problem is. We'll check it. That's probably the issue.
Yeah, that baby pops right out.
Oh, that's the problem. I guarantee that's the problem.
Yeah.
Because it's puffy. But we'll check it. We'll see what size.
Like I said, the motor was running, everything was running fine. And then it's cool, no problems there.
I'll plug that back in there. So I put a 60-5. This is a 55-5, which is close enough.
Okay.
And it's definitely dead. So you want to go turn it on, and I'll plug it in. It should fire right up now. See how it's rocking and rolling. It's puff on the top. It's no good. There you go. Now your wife don't have to go to your mom's.
Since you can come, I'm like, it's not that bad, So I go with the boys last night watching TV.
You rather deal with the heat than the mother-in-law.
Huh?
You rather deal with the heat than the mother-in-law.
Yeah, she's alright. I'm like, I'm all set. I was off the I'm all set.
Alright, so I'm sure the charge is fine. You haven't had any issues with it cooling the house, right? Just that capacitor.
Yep.
ICP. Alright, that's it. You get your slip. That was an easy one.